Hi, my name is Dan with Cali, and today we'll be showing you how to install the transmission skid on the 4th Gen Tacoma. For transmission skid hardware, what we'll need is 2 plate washers, snap nut with its plate, 4 M8 bolts in the washers, a 3/8 bolt with washer, 2 3/8 carriage bolts with washer and nuts. For tooling, we will be needing a 13mm socket, a 7/32 Allen key, a ratchet wrench, a 9/16 box end wrench, and 2 14mm box end wrenches. To start installing our transmission skid, what we're going to do is remove these 4 bolts in the front skid. Then we're going to remove 2 more bolts in this cross support. If you have a sway bar disconnect, you will need to remove that skid plate that hangs right here. There's 3 bolts, they are M12s, and they should come right out. So next, we're going to loosen the 2 inside nuts on this transmission support. So next we're going to install the transmission skid, and to do that we're going to be starting with it behind the transmission support. We're going to slide it forward so it's in between the front skid and the frame of the truck, and that the 2 rear tabs on the transmission skid will go over these 2 bolts. Next, we will lightly thread these nuts back onto these bolts, just enough to make sure that they won't slide out. Once those are installed, we're going to go ahead and lightly thread the other 4 M8 bolts back into place. So next we're going to install this carriage bolt into the skid through the transmission support. Now on the back side of the support we're going to be placing a plate washer, and then we're also going to be placing a washer on top of that, followed by the nut. Again, lightly thread this bolt. So for the passenger side, because the exhaust is so close to the transmission support, you'll push the bolt through, not all the way through, just so that the tip of the threads are poking through the support. You're going to place the plate washer on top, and then you're going to place the washer, and then you're going to place this nut above it, slowly push that bolt through the support, and tighten that nut. So next we're going to take our snap plate and our snap nut, install it, and then we're going to place it inside of the transmission support. I'm going to go through the skid plate and start threading. So next we're going to go ahead and install our transmission doors, and then we're going to go ahead and tighten up all these loose bolts, and we're good to go. And that's to install your transmission skid. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as visiting CaliRaisedLED.com.